Hi there, my name is Sharon Walsh and I'm a herbalist and reflexologist, and welcome to my video on how to make hawthorn berry heart syrup. We need distilled water, hawthorn berries, brandy, glycerin and some dark bottles. Put the berries in a pot and cover them with distilled water until there's 1 inch of water above the berries. Then simmer this for 20 minutes. Drain and set aside the liquid. So we mash these berries and then cover them with distilled water again until there's another inch of water above them. Simmer and then strain again, and you end up with 2 quantities of liquid. You mix these 2 liquids together and put it back in the saucepan and simmer very gently until the liquid is reduced to 1/4 of its volume. Measure this liquid and then add to it 1/4 of its own volume of vegetable glycerin and 1/4 of its own volume of brandy. Decant it into your nice bottles and you have a lovely homemade Christmas present from the heart that's great for the heart.